Hey guys, it's Hannah and and basically this is our first video, and like we're gonna be doing we were like recreating
outfits
of famous people on Movie Star Planet, so enjoy it or don't.
So the first one is like this like whole like outfit, and I feel like they have the same exact thing, like
yeah, they literally have
probably like
these.
recreated from her or whatever.
Yeah, but Kylie Jenner. So first we're just gonna do like the shoes. They're
which
just
are
white
probably
shoes.
like
This is the most basic outfit.
I don't know what's happening. This happens a lot. Like
okay, like internet. Oh, okay.
Okay. Are you buying these?
If I like it.
Okay.
Probably the stuff I'm like already gonna have. These are like kind of the same.
Yeah, those are like, but they're like Jordans. Those are.
But we don't have Jordans. Like.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the shoes, but like it's
Whatever.
fine, because there's not gonna be like identical like name brand.
Yeah.
It's not like they have Forever 21 on it.
I know that we have.
They have
these.
the pants, yeah.
Would it be tights?
No, it'd be leggings or something. Just check pants.
I think it's tights.
Oh, those.
Yeah. Yeah. Look how.
Wait. Okay.
Similar.
Click on hers.
That.
Okay. What the heck?
They
That's like
obviously copied her. That's annoying,
okay. Then go look for gray hair.
Okay.
I mean green.
Wait. First she has like the crop top, and it's like long.
Yeah, but like, and we have that. Like that's so basic.
I don't think I have it. No.
On
like,
MSP.
I'm just, like,
yeah, they have it. It's just, check long sleeve. It's long sleeve.
We don't have. There's long sleeves. Oh my god. That's not a thing though.
Long sleeve shirts.
Okay, do you see
not a
long
thing.
sleeves on here?
Like what? Okay, we're gonna find it. Just keep looking. This is gonna take forever.
I know, like what the heck? BRB
Just,
for real. So I found a shirt like this.
But there's way more like a similar one, but like we can't find it. It's like striped.
Yeah, but we just changed it.
So yeah.
Also, like definitely, I feel like we have sneakers like that are actually like good sneakers, like that look like them, like this.
Okay, well I don't know what to tell you.
Cause like that and that.
Yeah, but they're already gonna be rainbow, so then you can't switch it.
Idiot.
These. Well, if you change it all to white, yeah, it'll look good. Or like gray laces at least, or something.
No, because she had all white, right?
That doesn't look too bad.
Okay, that looks interesting, but...
Okay, it's fine. And then we need a white shirt. I mean, top, cap thingy. And, like, it's not gonna get any better,
This is really
Hannah.
chunky. Like, couldn't we just change this? I feel like that looks so much better.
Yeah, but it's also not the same thing.
That looks better, though. So, idiot. Okay. Now we're just gonna get a white cap and a
baseball
purse.
cap. I don't really think the purse is like a necessity. Like, what is going on? Okay. Search up hats. Headgear.
We need to find like the old one that's like actually good. Okay.
If you guys knew what was going on behind the screen, like what is
yeah, we just started a mission. Okay, where is it? Like, what is this? Please tell me.
I think that's a boy hat.
I think I need this. Okay. I seriously can't find it.
And also just like a little introduction, like we've done YouTube before and like tried, but like I don't know what happened. So hopefully this turns into a growing process, but
what the heck? This is actually annoying. Like, shush.
Okay, I think we should just change a cap to like white.
Where is it?
Okay, go back.
The good one. Do you know what I'm talking about?
No. Like disco hat.
No, like the good one. Like, there's a good hat, and it's like actually good that everyone wears.
Okay, well I don't know.
Oh, we definitely passed it, so I just need to look for it again.
Oh my god!
I found it. Okay, so thank you. Val's pissed, but we're gonna be okay. I think we're on a journey. So, Lolly. Okay, we have green hair here, and it's just like
Really?
yeah. What? Do you have a problem?
Mhm.
Like kind of confused, Val. It's like shoulder.
That looks like a weave.
Shoulder length.
Oh my god!
Whoa!
Who would have thought Movie Star Planet copied Kylie Jenner? I think that's good. That's good. That girl. I mean, that color.
Okay, I'm like confused by what you want.
Yeah, that's good. And then kind of change it to like a mid-white. Oh.
What? What the heck? What color is it?
Oh my god.
Like, it's like a whitish green.
Wait, just click white. Click on the white.
Why?
Okay, that looks terrifying.
Okay, this part should be like later. What is going on? Why isn't this like good?
Okay, this looks terrible.
I know,
What
but
is
there's
happening?
but Movie Star Planet doesn't have every color. It's like white mixed with like this color.
Yeah,
like, look.
it's just not gonna turn ombre.
Like,
so.
see how it's like white?
It's like
here
mint.
and,
like you have to get the perfect. Okay, we'll be back when it gets.
That's
to
not
mint.
gonna work.
What do you? Ugh.
We aren't gonna be back. So BT dubs. We're just gonna. Oh. Okay.
Okay, I think that's the outfit.
And no.
That's a wrap.
Is it really?
Yeah.
We need to move on to the next outfit.
Okay, like all the clay rose to the top.
This is literally just like Schwab.
Schwab and door.
It smells like hair gel.
To put hair gel in it.
Taylor
Sorry,
Swift.
Michelle, if you're watching this.
Oh.
I don't think she's gonna find it. Okay.
What? Why would she watch
I
it?
took
We're
my
not recording, by the way.
Like, yes, we are.
No, we aren't. I paused it. The blue is paused.
Okay, record.
Okay. Oh my gosh! I remember they copied that outfit.
Who?
Movie Star Planet. Movie Star Planet just like copies stuff.
Okay.
What is her outfit? It's like I really want.
Yeah, like street style. Hashtag peace sign love harmony.
Sorry.
So Hannah was being a little stupid and thought we were not recording, but really we were. So
And I don't know how to delete it because I'm an idiot. So we're gonna deal with it. This is the outfit that we're doing, and it's interesting. But we're gonna
This is
do
peace, love, harmony.
Okay.
So the screen went.
Why does this always happen? Okay, so first the shirt. We're naked. Don't look. Okay, so the shirt is.
Okay, I think I'm gonna play with this on my computer.
A sweater. It's a sweater.
And if you guys didn't know, like we're friends, like we're not related, like whatsoever. Like we just hang out a
like,
lot.
I don't really know why.
No,
I don't know why that just came out, but okay. Like peace, love, harmony.
Like we're just like gonna be doing daily recording, and this is like our first video, so like yes, we're stupid idiots, so I hope you enjoy the content.
Enjoy.
And I hope nobody from our school finds it, because then I'm gonna cry. They copied Supreme.
Star Simp. Forever young. I just want this shirt that. Oh, look. This is like it. This looks like it, but it says
vitamin C. Ew, I hate when people say
I
that.
know.
It's like somebody in a bikini. It's like
vitamin C. I know. Shush. Okay, we're not talking about you guys behind your back. Don't worry. Okay, is that like black or like?
No, it's like navy blue.
Like this. Yeah.
What time is it?
Is that black? No. Okay, vitamin C. Here we go. So
what is she wearing? White khakis.
Okay, shush. Can you ever shut your
Just
mouth?
put jeans on. Put jeans on and turn them to white.
No.
Yeah.
This is like what she was wearing.
No, they weren't that short.
Oh my gosh, they were like shorter. What are you talking about?
I think we should do that.
Stop. You're actually annoying. Like, I'm sick of you. Stop crying, Val. Val! Hold on, guys. She's crying. Joking, by the way, so. Okay. She's kind of mad. Are you okay, Valerie?
No, I'm crying.
Good. Okay.
Okay, so if you couldn't tell, we're already disabled, so, and don't get offended.
No, that's like making fun. Okay,
No.
we aren't actually making fun.
No, like,
we're making fun of ourselves.
Yeah, and like I don't want people to be like, oh my god, the language you use is terrible. Like,
and like you're making fun of disabled people. Like we're making fun of ourselves. Like we're not saying that disabled people are weird.
Yeah, like we're just stupid, like mentally stupid. Like, don't worry, I wasn't gonna say that.
Okay, Val, I feel like we sound so bad.
Too bad.
Aw, I feel bad. Okay, so they were like kind of like these, but not really.
Guys, guess who I'm impersonating? Wait, let me get close.
Okay, stop. They don't know. Don't cough on me. Thank you. Like,
shut up.
This smells like the hair gel that I use.
Why do you use hair gel?
Well, like I used it when I was little for like performances, and I still have it. Because I used to do like ballet or whatever, and I'd be like dance.
Carry.
Okay. This is like kind of what she's wearing, but like not really. But like this is like the closest that we have.
I don't think anybody cares.
Val, that's like mean. Like I feel hurt. You aren't even participating in this channel. That means that you don't even care about it. And I'm just like, really?
No, because you're on the computer, so I don't know what to tell you. Do you want me to like lean over and dab on you? Like, yes. I don't know what to tell you.
That's what I want.
Lean and duck. Stop playing with my slime.
Jesus. Are you pranking me? Like, shut up.
Shut up, Hannah. Shut up. Okay.
Okay, so this is like, oh, I forgot hair. Sorry. Okay, like, okay.
Why is it a special start going off?
I don't know. Because it's a start going off. Oh, she has bangs.
Oh, golly. That's exciting.
Okay.
We have to make her blonde first, yeah.
And then we get the bangs. Because, like, is the bangs accessories?
I think. No, just go to the top. It's in the top. It's in the top, Hannah. It's in the top.
Whoa.
Why is that hair so, like, overrated? I'm low-key nauseous.
I hate it when people say low-key.
Really? Yeah, I never say it.
Yeah, then why are you saying it?
I don't know.
I'm confused. Okay, I'm not seeing it in the top, so... Is that a rare hair?
Yeah.
Oh, great. It is? Then why is it? It looks like it. Okay, where is it?
I know it was in the top. Like, I don't know what to tell you.
Well, it's not. So.
Headgear.
Can
you imagine me with braces and a headgear?
Okay, well.
Hannah, look at me and imagine me with braces and a headgear. Like this.
Stop.
Fishy. Fishy.
Okay, this is gonna end like any minute.
1.
Okay,
2.
no.
Premium.
I think it's a miscellaneous. Stop.
You sound like
Where
Charlotte.
is it?
Charlotte. Charlotte stole it. And then cut it off with Stella.
Stop.
Pranked. I pranked you.
Where is it?
Look at my bunny boop.
Oh my gosh, Val, you are so annoying. Like, shut up. I think it's jewelry. Seriously, where is it? Where is it?
Extra drippy.
Short hair. Wait, maybe it's in miscellaneous.
It probably is. Stupid girl.
Whoa, why? Okay. I'm not even gonna ask.
Half of the stuff in here we have in our closet.
Okay, well, do you know what? I'm sick of you, and I think I'm gonna...
It's not in short hair.
Where is it? Like, what
Up
the
your butt and
heck?
around the corner.
Wait, I could just look at in themes.
Oh, yeah. We're so dumb.
Which theme in it? Is it this one?
I think it's... no, this one. It's Pastel Garden.
Okay. Okay, this is gonna end soon, and I'm kind of crying.
Okay, pause the tape.
I'm almost done!
Rodeo. Ow.
It's not gonna be.
Watch it not be.
Oh my gosh.